Alright guys, well welcome back to Shop Saturday. Today I'm going to show you how I hung up a 12-foot sheet of drywall all by myself. So as you can see in the video here, I'm adding some screws so that I don't have to worry about getting them out of my pockets once I get it lifted up. And I have already attached two boards, one to the left side and one to the bottom to help hold it in place, just like that. I personally do not recommend doing this by yourself because it is fairly heavy, and as you see I did smash my fingers right there for a little bit, but it is possible. And also I don't think anybody would believe me if I told them I hung up drywall by myself. So here's the proof. Good thing is I did manage to hang up two sheets in one day, so one side of the shop is all done now, so works pretty good in a pinch. It is heavy though, so if you do try to do it, try not to hurt yourself, because you could end up with a pretty permanent back problem by lifting heavy stuff. So thanks for watching, and got a couple extra clips of the rest of the day. We tried to use the Dremel, but it ended up going up in smoke. There's smoke coming out of it, so we're just gonna have to use our handy dandy semi-automatic drywall saw blade. So we're going to cut the outlets out here and the other one that's over here, so it looks like this one. Tune in next time and we'll hook up the outlet.